Welcome back to Block 7. In today's episode, we'll explore one of the most innovative and breathtaking architectural works, Suspension House. Suspended between two beautiful California hills, this home floats above a serene creek with a stunning waterfall gracing the backyard. Designed by Fougeron Architecture, the project carries a bold mission to harmonize natural beauty with modern functionality. But what makes this house truly special? Beyond its captivating appearance, this home maximizes the potential of its site with intelligent, innovative, and sustainable design approaches. Let's dive into the details of this unique house to inspire your next home design. This project began with a significant challenge. In California, current regulations prohibit building new homes directly over a creek. However, the original structure of this house, built decades ago, already existed above the water. The architectural team was tasked with not only adhering to these regulations, but also using the existing structure as the foundation for their design. The first step was to ensure the new home followed the exact footprint and outline of the old structure, including the existing decks. To address the structural challenges, Fougeron Architecture implemented a completely new support system, suspending the house between two hills. The old supporting columns located in the creek bed were removed, replaced with a steel framework anchored directly into the bedrock on the hillsides. This solution not only preserves the creek's ecosystem, but also creates the illusion of a home floating in midair. The house spans 3 floors with a total area of 2,500 square feet. The first 2 floors follow the orientation of the original house, maintaining a horizontal layout that aligns with the contours of the hills. However, the 3rd floor introduces a bold change. It rotates 90 degrees from the lower levels. This shift adds dynamism to the overall structure, creating a sense of lightness while increasing its vertical presence. The 3rd floor also features a steel-framed roof that appears to float, resulting in a space filled with natural light and a more expansive feel. This area serves as both a family hub and a perfect spot to enjoy the surrounding views of the hills and creek. To maintain harmony with its natural environment, the architects selected materials that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The steel framework, which serves as the house's backbone, is not hidden but instead proudly exposed on every floor, adding a modern accent while showcasing the home's structural integrity. Materials such as glass, reclaimed wood, and steel are thoughtfully used to create a harmonious contrast between modernity and natural warmth. Remarkably, 50% of the original wood structure was preserved, making this renovation a sustainable and eco-conscious example of architectural design. One of the most striking features of Suspension House is how it's designed to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. To achieve this, the architects incorporated transparent elements and open layouts that bring the beauty of the outdoors into the home. Imagine standing in the living room with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, where you can admire the creek flowing beneath your feet or gaze at the waterfall behind the house. Additionally, some floor sections use transparent materials, allowing direct views of the water below. Open spaces like floating staircases and suspended decks further enhance the sense of connection with nature. These elements create an unparalleled visual and emotional experience, making it feel as if you're living within the landscape itself. More than just a building, Suspension House serves as a bridge between humanity and nature. The design philosophy centers on creating a living space that's not only comfortable but also respectful of and connected to its natural surroundings. The combination of transparency, natural light, and integration with the surrounding landscape makes this house a masterpiece of modern architecture, a truly relevant approach for today's world. The Suspension House demonstrates how beauty, sustainability, and innovation can come together in perfect harmony. This project is an inspiration for anyone looking to build or renovate a home with a unique, creative, and environmentally friendly approach. Thank you for watching this video on Block 7. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more modern home design inspirations. See you in the next video.